Hello everyone, today I'm unboxing something a little different and honestly kind of genius. This is a paint by number kit from Charteks, but instead of traditional paint, I'm using water-based markers. And wait until you see the finish. Let's open this up. Inside the Charteks, that's a hard word to say. You get some pre-printed sheets with the numbers that correspond to the markers. And instead of paint pots, you get these high quality water-based markers. They're dual tip, which I love. One is for detail, one is for filling larger areas. And here I'm showing you the instructions well, not really instructions, but what the kit brings. And then they give you a sample of what these finished items would look like after you finish using the markers. I'm going to be doing the kitty cat. So here we are. These lines, in the end, once we use the hair blow dryer, those lines and numbers will disappear. So I'm coloring directly on the canvas. Hold on, let me get to that part first. I'm getting ahead of myself. There's the cat that I'm going to be using. And I'm coloring directly on the canvas, or it's more like a paper, but it has the markers don't bleed through, just like you would a traditional paint by number, but it already feels cleaner and faster. It's real smooth, and you don't have to worry about how you call it, paint getting on your hands or anything like that. So I'm here going throughout the whole the paint, and I use the broader the wider tip around the edges, but it doesn't well, it could be me. I didn't get a good blend of it, as you can see on the top left. And look at these markers, they're amazing because the fine tip, you can tell by which side of the marker it is because it has a little line on it. A lot of my alcohol markers don't come with that, so you have to uncap the sides, both sides, until you find the tip that you want. But this one with the line, it makes it easy to get the fine tip. Let's see what else we got here. We're just gonna sit here and just wait and do a little bit of painting. I'm doing a second, I would say coat, but it's not paint. A second layer of the marker in some areas because it blends too much with the other colors, and I wanted these pieces to stand out a little bit more. Charteks has given me a discount code for my subscribers for 10% off. I'll leave that in the description box below. And the dates are valid from December 31st, 2025 to January 31st, 2026. And I'll also leave the link to their website down below as well. This is something you can absolutely enjoy as an adult for relaxing and creative time, but it's also perfect to do together as a family. Since the markers are water-based and mess-free, it's a stress-free for parents and fun for everyone. If you love creative projects but hate the mess of traditional paint-by-number kits, this Charteks marker kit is a smart alternative. Clean, easy, and the results look amazing. Look at this kitty cat. It's already coming to life after doing his eyes. Okay, this is the game changer. Once the painting is completed, I use my hair dryer, or in this case I use my heat gun, and gently heat the area. Watch this, the lines and numbers literally disappear. This creates such a clean and professional hand painted look. No visible numbers, no harsh outlines, just smooth color like you actually painted it this freehand. Let me know in the comments what you think of this marker method. If you'd like to see more DIYs like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Until next time, be brave, be strong, and create a paint by number with markers.